So this is where I'm going to glaze the eggs. I've got this universal clear double coat gloss spray. I recommend gloss over matte just to make them really pop and look shiny. And I just use my old egg boxes and I put some kebab skewers in there to help them stand up, and then I just spray. We'll probably do a few coats. I'm not going to show all the coats in this video, but you'll get the idea, and we'll have a look at the finished product later. Looks like my spray might be empty, guys. Oh, here we go. A little bit of air. There we go. Boom. This is a fast dry gloss, so we should be ready to do a second coat just in a couple minutes, but they're already looking a lot shinier. I think they're looking great. And here's the shiny finished reveal of just this batch of eggs. Some Pysanky, some just kind of decorating for fun, but if you get kind of close, you can see they're looking pretty shiny. I'm really happy with all of these. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy.